This is the Face and Body 3D Massage Roller, a uniquely designed massage roller with 360-degree rotating and kneading technology. Its primary purpose is to exercise muscle tissue and improve blood circulation. The rotating 360-degree diamond-shaped rolling balls promote facelift, tightening and toning your skin. It helps diminish the appearance of puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It also stimulates pressure points, relieves stress, and alleviates tension. The Face and Body 3D Massage Roller is known for loosening tight spots and relieving fatigue. The panel on the handle absorbs energy from the sun or even indoor light and releases microcurrent through your skin, which helps increase blood circulation and stimulates your body's natural collagen. It helps enhance skin elasticity and improves muscle firmness to prevent the unwanted sagging that often develops with age. The Face and Body 3D Massage Roller is waterproof. It can be used with oil, lotion, or skin cream, and it's easy to clean with soap and water or a soft cloth. It's simple to use and portable. No batteries or charging cords are needed. The Face and Body 3D Massage Roller is ergonomically designed so it fits all body parts and facial curves. Use it 5 minutes per treatment area per day for the best results. Increase or decrease the pressure by lowering or raising the end of the handle. We have both the regular size and a mini size. The mini may be used on the face or the body as well, and it's great for travel.